My 5.
Yeah.
Chronics.
That's a good one.
That one with Smile For Me,
Smile
Jamaica.
For Me, yeah.
Chronology.
Chronology, yeah.
I mean,
It's the one. There's one album we have.
no doubt about it. We're gonna put that.
Yeah, yeah. I respect that.
Shiloh.
Till Shiloh.
Buju.
Yeah, yeah. I
2.
respect that.
Bob Marley.
Mm-hmm. Any Bob Marley album, okay.
Any Bob Marley album.
Yeah.
They're number 1, actually.
Yeah. Yeah.
I would say, if that are the 3, this might be way out.
Okay.
Where we come from. Popcorn.
Popcorn. I'm not mad at that.
Yeah, the Popcorn.
I'm not mad at that. Yeah.
Popcorn.
That was a good album.
Popcorn album, they're tough.
Yeah, that was a good album. I'm not vexed with that.
And
That's in
then-
my top 10 for
Yes. And then this might be way out.
sure. Which one?
Mortimer.
Really?
The one we've just released there.
I haven't listened to that full album yet.
Yeah.
That's it. Bad?
Bad. Oh, no,
Okay.
I understand how bad Mortimer is.
No, Mortimer tough. Mortimer tough.
Whoa. Whoa.
Music. Mortimer music tough.